Hi, Tracy here with BibleJournalingMinistries.com, and in this video I'm doing a really quick Dollar Tree haul. Not a lot, but there are some really good finds, so if you're ready, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so I went to the Dollar Tree the other day and just picked up a few things that I thought would be really fun to use in my art journaling, my faith art journaling, my Bible journaling, all of that. So I thought I would just show you a few things that I had picked up. So the first thing I picked up that I actually already used were 2 bottles of the Squeeze Applicators. Now, I had to actually put some oil in here that I use on my head for my dermatologist. And the new one didn't come with an applicator, and I didn't have an old bottle, so I actually had to buy one of these and use it on my hair products. But you could put anything in this, and I think having paint in here would be fine, you know, if you're doing some kind of paint or anything. There's just a lot of uses for them, and you get 2 for $1, so I went ahead and picked up a packet of that. Then I picked up some cups that I like to use for like mixing paints and doing pour techniques and things like that. So I wanted to make sure that I had some of those on hand. You get 36 of them for $1, so I think that's pretty reasonable. I picked up some sponges that I think are going to be really fun in my faith art journaling or just even in my art that I'm using. I got 3 of them because there was a bonus pack, so you got 3 instead of 2 for $1. And I thought, you know, I'm just going to cut them up and use them in my art. I think it would be just fine. And 3 for $1 is pretty cheap. Oh, I picked up multiple packs, I guess, of the Applicator bottles because, again, I like to use them in my paint and when I'm doing any kind of pour techniques and things like that. So I did get more than the 2 that I originally showed you. What else did I get at the Dollar Tree? Okay, so these are probably, if you find these, you probably want to buy them because when I saw them, I grabbed just a few of them for I'm doing a couple displays where I'll have like 3 clustered together, but they're like little Christmas trees and they have on wood stands. So I just want to have them, you know, kind of clustered together in 3s in like 2 parts of my house. So I ended up purchasing 6 total. And then as I was purchasing them, I saw somebody else grabbed them as well and was checking out, and she had grabbed more than 6, but they had plenty when I was there. So if you see them, grab them. I got 6 because I'll put them in like little clusters, and then I'll do another one over there. And it's just a really simple, easy, cheap way to kind of decorate my home for Christmas. So I got 6 of those. And then I purchased a few more things. I got some of this like ribbon that I think is really pretty. It is like burlap ribbon, and they had different shapes and styles, and so I got one of each of those that again I think would be great for my faith art journaling or making little ribbon marks for my Bible. Then I got a strainer to use. I'm going to do some pouring technique, so I wanted to have a strainer that I could use and then throw away. And then I got a couple other strainers that I thought were cool. This one, again, I got this one from the Dollar Tree that I could try to use this strainer and see if I'm working on something a little bit smaller. And then I actually picked this one up from the 99-cent store. I don't think it's going to work very well because it has a little flower in the middle of it. But I thought I would, you know, try it and see how I liked it. But that was it. It was a really, you know, simple, cheap, you know, quick haul from the Dollar Tree. Just fun things to pick up for art. And just having them, and then of course the Christmas stuff, but not a lot, but there is a ton of stuff. I just wasn't wanting to buy things that I wasn't going to use just to show you on YouTube, but I will throw some pictures up for you here in a minute of some other wonderful products that I saw at the Dollar Tree that you might be interested in. So hopefully you enjoy that. If you've liked this video, please like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Go ahead and stay tuned for the rest of the photos from my shopping experience.